So I got the first rack loaded. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on and turn it around and start loading up the back side of it. This thing's gonna be a real pain in the butt to move, but whatever, we can get it done. Okay guys, so it's moving day. I got the crew here. Room is pretty much emptied out. You've already seen this on the updates. My photographer for the day. At any rate, console's gonna be coming out. Actually, everything's gonna be coming out. We've already loaded the mics and the guitars, and we're gonna be taking some photography of all the stuff that's going on as the day happens.